Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make ground beef on the stove. This may be simple, but it may not be for some because some of us never cook. So hopefully this helps some of you who don't really cook much and need to learn. So enjoy the video, guys. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make extra lean ground beef. Now what you want to do is grab the pack and put it into a pan and set it on high. And you want to just leave it for a bit. You also want to chop it up. So, you know, like if you don't chop it up, it just gets in big chunks and it's not really as good. So what you want to do is chop it all up as much as you can. And then you want to, as soon as you see one side starting to get a little bit brown, you want to flip it over. And you see how the one side's brown? So you want to do that. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera, but so what you want to do is just turn it around. See? Flip it all around until... And you want to just cook it until it turns completely brown. Okay guys, now you can see that it's starting to boil and most of the meat is getting really brown. Now I just want to give you guys a tip. So I went to my local grocery store and I bought extra lean ground beef. Now if you see, that is a lot of oil. Grease. So I don't know, sometimes I think that the stores don't really put what they say, because I mean if that's extra lean, that's crazy. So even if you buy the extra lean, sometimes they lie on the package and it's really more than what you think. Now if you want this for flavor, you want to add salt, pepper, whatever ingredients that you want is best for taste. Now if you want this ground beef for health, because some of you bodybuilders or people who are trying to get in shape, well, all this extra grease is really fatty for you. So what I like to do is I like to drain it. Once this is cooked down, I'll show you how I drain it the fastest way, okay? Okay guys, so if you're cooking alone and you have no one to help you and you're holding a camera, what you want to do is buy this. This is a strainer. Hold on. And it basically sits on your counter and it goes in between your sink. So now, when your ground meat is done, which I think mine is done. Okay, so what you want to do is grab your meat and just pour it into the strainer. I've seen people try and scoop it out, and honestly, that takes way too long. This is just 100 times easier. So yeah, you just want to basically move it all around until all of the grease is gone, and we'll be right back. Okay, and once the ground beef is all drained of the fat, then what I like to do is to put it back on the grill, on the pan, just for another minute or two, just to brown it up. And this is when you add your spices. So what I like to add is these Mrs. Dash. They come in all different flavors depending on what you like. This one is garlic and herb, and we also have an onion and herb. So they're both good. You can also just use salt, pepper, and that's it guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more how-to videos.